Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of Manage Channel. Today we have a very dirty quail cage and they have a tendency to make their cage look like this. This, believe it or not, used to be very neat and tidy. Here is the culprit, my little friend Casper. Here is Casper. Oh, here he is. Obviously this is a headshot, an above shot from the top. And here he is. And we're just gonna put him to one side and then we're going to clean his cage. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove all that dirt, and the best thing is to put a thick layer of newspaper or some sort of fabric where you can just carry and simple remove, just like that. And here is the bin, straight into the bin. So that's that. Obviously the smell is not very nice. Now we are left with a few things here at the bottom, excuse me. So we're gonna try and clear those as well. Now I like to wash the base with soap because I don't know what type of bacteria, microorganisms have been growing on here. We've got heat, we've got water, dampness, everything is a perfect environment for the microorganism to thrive. I'm going to start off with some hand wash. I'm going to add 2 of these or 3, and then I'm going to add a bit of antibacterial and scum remover. Then I'm going to add a bit of warm water. Then we begin scrubbing, and here is my scrubber. So make sure you get all this soap and detergent everywhere. Now what I'm going to do is add a bit of this conditioner to give it a nice smell. And you don't need to worry about harming the animal because these have probably been tested on animals. So here we go. Try and get as much of it as possible. Here's a nice dollop. Quail, and it's actually waterproof as well. So this material is waterproof. So I'm gonna stick it down like that, and I'm putting the white side down because I don't want this to imprint on my plastic. So here is my paper going down, just like so. This is going to have the water and this is going to have the food, and I'm going to place that straight in the middle, or maybe anchor it towards one side here, just like this. So now it's been anchored. Hay and wood chippings, anything you like. So here we go, we got a nice amount of hay and wood chippings. I'm gonna add them here, like so. There we go. Now we just divide that around the cage like this. Here is where the water is gonna go on, so it has to be clean. I think my chick is going to have a lovely time in here, and she's got plenty. Just a little bit. Because you can always do something later. So here's some chickens. What we're gonna add next is some of my delicious mix of all sorts of seeds and just add a little bit of this for variety. Mix it. The only thing I have to do is get my quail, and here he is. Here's my little quail. Say hello to the camera for us, if you want. And here's your new home. What do you think? Are you having fun there? You got water, food, you got a nice cozy place to stay. These can actually be inside that living so I can go inside. There you go. My quail is here enjoying himself. Or herself, I don't know still if it's a male or a female. He's obviously exploring his new home and obviously looking at us. You alright, little buddy? Yeah, you're gonna be okay here. You got food, water, shelter. There's a lot of hay for everything. So if you like this episode, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that my quail thanks you for that. And also leave me a comment down below if you think I've done something wrong or stupid, so I can fix it in the next time. He had a brother but he died. I'm gonna get him another brother so that he doesn't stay alone.